Salamat, pwede na tayong umupo. Magandang hapon. Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. The local government of General Santos City through the Honorable Mayor Lori G. Pacquiao. In celebration of Paskuhan sa Jensen, proudly presents this Paskuhan sa Jensen Amateur Boxing Tournament. This is Ligaya at Ganak sa Pasko. We have 40 bouts of all. And before I introduce our first bout, I would like to acknowledge our technical officials, headed by our boxing director, Mr. Sunny Sombrio, our matchmaker,
Angit yung mata. Angit yung
our Bencola, our RJs, referees and judges, Mr. King Valerio, National Referee Judge, Rocky Navarrete, Bambi Nacionales, Michael Rodriguez, and Pico Nacionales. Our timekeeper is Ron Maldonado, and I am your ring announcer, Bonnie Intonuevo. And now, ladies and gentlemen, our first bout. This is scheduled for 3 rounds fight with 1 minute per round and 1 minute interval. Officiating referee for this bout is King Valerio. Ladies and gentlemen, presented first, fighting out of the red corner, weighing 21 kilograms, fighting under Barangay Apupong, General Santos City, introducing Prince Caballero. And his opponent in 3 rounds, fighting under the blue corner, weighing 21 kilograms, fighting under Arakan Valley, North Cotabato. Ladies and gentlemen, introducing Crisply Villarosa. Aguirre and Licayan, you will be the next bout. Ligada and Agahas, please prepare. Bout number 4, Lacaba and Galupi, and bout number 5, Pantonico and Angahas, please prepare.
Daw kaya kalaban ay.
Diskarte lang natin yan.
Diskarte peg.
Jerry, my keeper, beginning of round 1.
Bang! Bang! Yay! Nice, nice! Nice ka! Nice ka! Nice! 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 Giteg! No! Losapeg, sumbag! Nice ka! Sure ball, sure ball! Nice! Nice ka! Nice!
And on round number 1, and the first round,
Yeah.
Aguirre and Licayan, the next round, Ligada and Angahas, please prepare.
Dako yung kalaban pero kaya niya na diskarte.
Kaya baka magadungaw siya ba?
Sige lang din sa ubos eh.
Diskartehan dyan po na niya. Lami, ganun na kayo para mano niya.
Seconds out. Beginning of round number 2, second round.
Nice! Nice ka! Bardo ka, Peg! Bang! Bang! Nice ka! Bang! 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 Nice kawan! Bang! Bang! Taas kayo! Bang! Bardo kayo, nakarlo kayo!
Seconds out. Round number 3, last round.
Wow, good! Nice ka! Get back! Nice! 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 Nice ka, Peg! Nice! Tulak, tulak! Nice! Tulak, tulak! Nice! 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 Nice!
10 seconds.
Nice! Nice! Ayaw na! Bang!
And the last and final round, round number 3. Aguirre and Lingayan next call. Ligada and Alcajas, please to pay. Mga kaibigan, ito ang ating Paskohan sa Jensen Invitational Amateur Boxing Tournament. Bahagi po ito ng bigaya at galak sa Pasko. Ating ng ating lokal na pamahalaan sa pangunan ni Honorable Mayor Glory Pacquiao. Ladies and gentlemen, here's the result of bout number 1.